Hello friends, here again Dr. Ajay back with the tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you some different settings and techniques available in VideoScribe to make some changes or modifications what we have already prepared. So friends, over here we can change the background style and default hand. So with the help of this background brush in the ribbon bar, we may change the plain background to the concrete background, or may change some color of the background. We may give some other color to our background of the scribe, and along with that we may choose whether to select the vignette in the background or not. So here with this soft vignette, the background will look like shaded circle. So here if we don't want this vignette, so you need to choose no vignette over here. Along with that we may change the drawing hand from this option in the ribbon bar. So here is the library with the pens and different hands, so you may choose accordingly, and you may change the hand also over here. So you may see the preview of the hand. If you are satisfied with this, it will be applicable to all the elements of this scribe. Along with that we can change the order of your elements over here. Down to this scribe there is a timeline, so it includes all the elements what we have added so far. So by drag and drop we can change the elements position and relocate them as we required. So by this way I am just changing the position of this blank out. Very next to that the material which is to be erased. So to erase this I need hand with an eraser. So to change the drawing hand with eraser, I need to go to element properties from this option. Over here I'll just choose the hand which have eraser. So by browsing the hands, I'll go for and see the preview of the same. So likewise that will be quite better for erasing the text in my scribe. Now I will see the preview of the changed part of the elements from the current view. Now it looks quite better than the previous one. Along with that we can adjust the timing of your elements from here in the timeline. Timeline is to place the elements in your scribe at very right time. So over here with this side arrow button we can open quick menu bar. So over here we can get the particular settings for animate time. Here is the pause time for that particular element in your scribe. Along with that we have the transition time, so that is the timing for how long this transition from one element to another takes. So likewise we may change these settings by decreasing or increasing button over here. So I'll just take the more time to draw the particular element for this position. And now let us see. So now it is taking more time as I increase the timing of that particular element than previous. Furthermore, we may opt to move in an particular element instead of drawing it, or we may choose fade in option instead of drawing. By going to the element property, we may change this draw setting to the move in or fade in or morph. So like if we choose the move in setting, we may select the particular angle by which the element is coming to the scribe and the particular angle through which it comes and appears. And move in effect can also be smoothen or bounce or may be taken as uniform, and the color may also be changed from the multiple options over here. So likewise we may change and see the preview for that particular element. To change the colors in image, we may go for the element property, and now if you can see over here, the image is being showing in full color, so that can be changed. Like if we want the outline only, if we want the grayscale image, we may choose. Along with that, see how. So likewise we may change the colors in images also. So friends, this is how we can change few of the settings for these elements and can make an impressive presentation. So after saving all these settings, we may go back.